My name is Alioune Mboup. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Africa Tourism Solutions. I'm here in Nairobi to get trained. I'm at the next CEO Executive Leadership Workshop with H&C Executive Education. The team is AI-driven visionary and business development. As a CEO, my job is to make sure Africa Tourism Solutions doesn't just grow, but lead. Because the future of tourism is data and AI, we need to understand our travelers better, personalize experiences, and scale our operations faster. This workshop is teaching CEOs and executive teams the exact structural level to accelerate capacity and execute a strategic vision. I'm here to bring those tools back to ATS. 3 things. First, how to use data to make smarter decisions. Second, how to deploy AI to improve guest experience and operations. Third, a clear roadmap to build capacity in our company so we can compete globally while showcasing the best of Africa. To my team at Africa Tourism Solutions, I'm learning so we can lead better. To Africa, we are building world-class tourism, and it starts with a visionary leadership. Nairobi, thank you for hosting. Let's build Africa together.